somebody. Want us to believe that you're somebody to see. Searching for a feeling. And you would give up anything just to show us you had it. All she wanna do is talk fashion.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like an official beauty guru right now because my setup right now is insane. So today I'm gonna be doing a hair look for you guys. I basically just showered and then put my hair up in a ponytail, made sure that I laid my edges because they were wild and they're a little bit crazy, and honestly they don't even last all day. They just kind of poof up in about 2 hours or so. So I went on Amazon. What else is new? I think I have an unhealthy relationship with buying everything and anything that I can on Amazon because it ships so freaking fast. So I was in the mood to get some hair extensions, and I had never in my life thought to order hair on Amazon. It actually came in this little pouch, which is cute to keep. Let me just say the hair that I bought smelled a little funky, so I definitely had to shampoo it and condition it. So I have it here right now, and I will be sure to link it down below with all the details so you guys can see, because when I was ordering this, you can kind of customize what you wanted with your extension. This video is not sponsored by any means. So just as a heads up, this is a human hair ponytail. It's 26 inches, you guys, and it's a kinky curly texture. I've never in my life had like a kinky curly extension. She's a little thirsty. You guys know I love a good ponytail situation. I love anything that gets my hair up and out of my face. I think wigs are great, but it's just so much going on with the lace in the front. You gotta lay that thing down. I wanted something a little bit easier with my wash and goes. You guys know I'm on a natural hair journey right now, and it's a lot of work, and I'm not really trying to be putting heat on my hair. I'm not trying to stress it and overwork my hair. I kind of just want to leave the thing alone and let it grow out naturally to avoid damaging it along the way. So I thought getting a kinky curly texture would, one, help me get used to seeing myself with curls. Two, it's super fun. It's so long, you guys. 26 inches. I might have to snip the ends a little bit, and I did shampoo and condition this. It's a little bit wet right now, but the thing dries pretty fast, and it's not even frizzy. I just put a little bit of what did I put in this? I'll link everything down below, but I believe I used Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls just to help define it and make it a little bit softer to the touch and to smell a little bit better, because when I put this out of the package, you guys. But what's cool about this ponytail is it actually has a drawstring attachment situation, and there are clips in here as well to hook onto your own hair. I had something like this when I was like a kid, but it was like a really short ponytail, and you know, I just didn't know what edges were there. It just didn't look that great. So now I feel like I'll be able to make it look really, really pretty. And I do have a few videos on my YouTube channel where I actually show you how to do a ponytail with just weft extensions, and that's nice. It's just a process. So I feel like something like this is a little bit quicker and perfect for me for just like a quick hairstyle, because there's a drawstring in this where you can conceal your natural hair underneath. So that means I don't have to put heat on my hair to make it blend in with this ponytail. And there are other places where you can get ponytail extensions. I'm not gonna name the websites, but I just feel like they don't have a very versatile texture, you know what I'm saying? So I like that this is a kinky curly. I also saw they had like a yaki ponytail, which was out of stock in the length that I wanted to get. And they also have, I believe, like a straight one. So I'll just link the ones that I like down below. I love a good long ponytail. So I'm gonna be installing this today, and you're not gonna need a ton of stuff. Literally just start with your hair in a bun. So I had to lay my hair down. Forgive me, I didn't have time to show you guys in the video today. It literally takes so long with all the gel and stuff that I use. But basically just put your hair in a ponytail wherever you want, or I'm sorry, a bun, wherever you want this ponytail to sit. And I personally didn't want it to be so high up, so I have it like pretty low in the back of my head. So I'm just gonna twist this and then tie it up into a tight little bun. I don't want there to be too much volume to this. So I'm just gonna twist it around and then secure it with a little hair elastic. I'm really hoping this ponytail is gonna look amazing because I want to order it like essentially in every freaking style. I want to get some and dye them. Like, I just can't wait to play with them. And the fact that this is so thick, Like the density of this is amazing, you guys. So I do want to say that you can see the tracks. I know it's hard because it's all dark here, so hopefully I will be able to conceal that once I install it, but it's just like a net with 2 different clips. So I'm gonna take these clips and I'm gonna secure them on the top of my bun and then hook it underneath. And ideally, it would be great if your ponytail wasn't damp like mine is right now. I'm sure it would be so much fuller. All right, so I have the clips in. Now I'm gonna find that drawstring and pull it. You see that? It's gonna actually kind of bunch up. It's gonna kind of tighten up all around our bun that we have. So just make sure that the clips are in there pretty well. And I like this thing to be tight because ain't nobody got time for our ponytails to be coming off. So once you have it pulled tight, just move this thing up so it's secure. And then I'm just gonna wrap this around the base of my ponytail so that it's not gonna be hanging out anywhere. Do you see how fast that was? When I apply my left extensions, it probably takes me, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Then there's just a lot of tracks you have to conceal, so I figured this method would be so much easier. And now I'm left with the tail end. So bobby pins are definitely gonna be your best friend. I'm gonna pin this down, hopefully like behind, or you could tuck it in, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm just pinning that down. And already I love how full this is. Like, I'm just not used to seeing my hair like with this beautiful curly texture. And you know, with curls 26 inches, it might shrink up a little bit. But now I need to kind of conceal the weft and then the base of the ponytail because we don't really want people to know. I mean, I don't really care, but you don't really want people to know that it's not really your hair. So I'm gonna section off maybe about an inch piece from the base back here. And then I'm not gonna brush it out like I typically would because of this beautiful texture. So I'm just gonna try my best to spread the hair flat so that it's thick enough to cover the base of the ponytail. I just don't want to brush this hair. I think it would get a little frizzy. But if you want to get some hold, you can go in with some hairspray as you wrap. Guys, this thing was also under, sorry, my bra. This ponytail was under $100. 26 inches of hair and it's thick. And I can put the thing in like 5 minutes and get a little facelift. Like, I'm not mad. She's definitely tight. I love to make sure that it's secure because I just don't want to have that worry of my ponytail possibly being snatched off. So once you get to the tail end of that, go in with some more bobby pins, put some hairspray on it, secure it in. And make sure that it's in place. And look at that, I only used 3 bobby pins for this. Amazon could take all my money and I wouldn't even be mad. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this shine spray. This is like my secret weapon. This Way Rose Hair and Body Shine Spray. This stuff smells amazing. I'm all about things that smell really good. And I love this stuff. I feel like it's my go-to thing for the body if I want a little bit of a glow, and also for the hair for a nice healthy shine. And again, it'll just help it smell a little bit better. So I'm just gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil as well, just because it is a little bit damp, and as it continues to dry, I don't really want it to get frizzy or anything, so I'll be taking a little bit of my Way oil. As you can tell, I love this stuff. This bottle has actually lasted me so long, and I do use it on my body as well as my hair, so hopefully I have enough in here. And I'm just gonna rake it through. I actually probably don't even need to cut the end. It's a little fluff, but it's not anything terrible. And I love this texture. Like, it's so beautiful. It's definitely making me excited for my own hair journey when it grows out to this length. Oh, you see how thick it is? Bro, how long is this video? 5 minutes. You see, you can have your hair snatched in 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna order this in the same one so I can ombre it and then have a little bit of a different look, because all you have to do is just do a wash and go and then pop this bad boy in. You guys, that's my video. I thought this thing was gonna be a little bit longer, but I was not prepared for the ease of it. So this is just how it shipped in the mail. Came in 2 days, which I think is amazing. Free shipping, Amazon Prime come through. And then it also has this little case too, which you can use. I'm gonna wash this because still smells a little funky, but other than that, this thing is amazing. And I did notice that it did shed a little bit when I was detangling it with the conditioner, maybe like, I don't know, quarter size amount of hair that came out. So keep that in mind if this is something that you want to pick up for yourselves. But for reference, this is 26 inches long. Kinky curly is the texture. It's human hair, you guys. I don't have time for synthetic, the tangly mess and all of that. So I wanted to make sure that I got a quality ponytail that would actually last me and be a good bang for my buck. Something that I would actually want to use, and something that just, I don't know, elevated my look. I feel like because my waves are kind of coming through, it looks kind of natural. I mean, not that natural, but I'm not mad at how it's blending in. Although my hair is not this dark in color, but could also be because it is a little bit wet. But you can kind of split your ponytail and it kind of looks like a half up, half down. Ooh, okay. So definitely check it out. I'll drop a link down below to the seller, and I feel like everybody needs this. I didn't even know I needed it until I found it on Amazon. So definitely check that out. I'm gonna go take some pictures for Instagram because I'm filming myself right now. And I love that this covers my hair. Unlike some other ponytails I've seen, you really have to work hard to conceal your natural hair underneath, otherwise it's gonna look crazy. Tracks are going to show, your natural hair is going to show. But the fact that this is a drawstring and it kind of just creates a little cap around your natural bun, perfect, you guys. So thank you so much for watching my hair tutorial, my quick hair tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video today, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. It really helps me out here on the YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like to see more beauty related videos, which I haven't really been doing that much of, but I feel like I'm loving it all over again because of quarantine. It's making me feel like I want to be cute, put a little bit more time and effort into my look, because I've just been looking like a beat up big toe for months, and it's August. I need to get it together, but now we're getting it together. So I will catch you guys in my next video very soon.
You wanna be somebody.